Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create GL account groups. So we can start with transaction code which is called OBD4, right? Or if you want to go through the SAP menu path, so go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, then general ledger accounting, then expand master data, GL accounts and preparations. Here you can see the option define account groups. So let's click here, and so basically what we do in the account groups, we give a code 4 digit or it maximum 4 digit of code for the each account group, and the name of the GL account group. Basically this is the categorization of the GL accounts as per their nature. So at broader level we can have expenses GL accounts, income GL accounts, liability GL accounts and asset GL accounts. But further if you want we can create so many account groups as per the business need, right? So minimum are 4 but maximum we can have 15, 20, whatever it is. Okay, and here we will give the range, the number range for the GL master. If you create any GL master, say for example under this group, then that GL number should be within this limit, starting with 311 all zeros and 311 all nines. So basically these are the few controls we have from the GL account groups. So let's start creating the new for our company code. So we'll click on new entries. Okay, we need to give the chart of count here, which is VOLV, and the name of the account group, 1110 sets, and the number range we will start from this number till triple one all nines. Okay, so best thing is that you first prepare an Excel sheet wherein you have all these fields, 5 fields, the chart of counts, the name of the group. So okay, and yeah, the code for the account group and the name and the starting number from number and the two number of the account groups, and then we can copy paste here, so that would be better. So let me copy paste because I have maintained a separate Excel sheet for this. So I will paste chart of counts here in account group, name of the account group, and then number range. Okay, then let me scroll down so that I can this time I can paste more entries. Okay, and then jail account number range, press enter. Once you press enter, these two fields will not be editable anymore. So before you press enter, you should be sure that whatever the information you given here is correct. Okay, so we have few more groups left. I paste this here. So this is the best example how to create the GL account master groups. So we have a very good bifurcations and that will help us for the document splitting also in the later chapters we will see. So there actually we need to assign the item categories to the GL accounts. So if we have a proper bifurcation at account group level, then that would be easier. Otherwise we may have to be very careful the from number and to number when we are doing the GL account categorization for document splitting. And this again depends client to client. It's not like universal that it has to be like this only. When you are working in a real-time project, the client will provide you the list. Apart from that, you can also suggest improvement from your side, but it's up to the client what they accept or not. But yeah, this is the ideal scenario wherein we have this kind of bifurcation of the GL account groups. All the GL accounts we are bifurcating in around 49 groups. Okay, so once we are done this, then click on save, and this is going to create a transport request. So click on new, give the suitable name, GL account group, and save it. Okay, so we have created GL account groups, but we are not going to assign these groups anywhere at company code level. Okay, this is done at chart of account level, right? When we have defined these groups, we have given the chart of accounts. So any company code which is using the same chart of account, they can use the same GL account groups to create their GL account masters. So we can say the setting for the GL account group is at chart of account level, right? Okay, apart from this, whatever the information we give here, apart from this, we have field status. If you click on field status, some more parameters we can control from there. Okay, let me come out and again go to. Okay, these are our account groups. So select this and click on field status. Now you can see we have segregations for the field status also. If you see the control segment, these are the fields which we can make as optional, required, suppressed, or display when we create the GL masters. Okay, so for example, say I want to create inventory account. Okay, say one inventory account for product 1, wherein when I create the GL account, the GL account say within this number range 161 all zeros till this number range, whatever the GL account I create under this within this number range, that would be my inventory GL accounts. And if I want to control some of the fields for my GL account master, control means whether you want to have that field as mandatory or optional whenever you create the GL master, so that we can decide from the field status group here. Okay, so say like in the account management we have these things. Short key. Okay, so short key is optional. If I want to make it as required, and if I create a GL account under this group for the inventory, I have to definitely give some value in the short key field. If I don't give, then system will not allow me to save the master data. Okay, and if I keep it as optional, then This is optional, like it's not mandatory that you have to give value to save the master data. You can leave it blank also. Okay, so by default basically all these fields are optional, but if required you can control from here. These are the main fields. Now this control which we have, that would work only for the company code segments, that we will learn later when we create the GL masters. Because in the GL master we have two segments, one is called the chart of account level segment, other is company code level segments. So we will discuss this further, we will test, we will enable some of the fields and we'll see what is the impact of that. Okay, so for now, today we just learned how to create the GL master account groups and what are the parameters in that, what is the use of the field statuses. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching. Please share and subscribe, and thank you. We'll see you again.